morning, Mo'eva. What's up? Hashem. Mincha is going to be 6:20 and Selichot is going to be 5:40. We have with us Rabbi Moshe, who lives both in New York and also in Eretz HaKodesh, collecting funds. His daughter is getting married. He's in a lot of debt. Anybody that's able to help him out, especially right before Rosh Hashanah, Tavo Alechem Birkat Tov. Everybody should be blessed from above. The Halacha, when it comes to Muktzeh, we said that Yom Tov has stricter rules in some senses than even Shabbat in Ichot Muktzeh. One of the rules that we find on Shabbat in regards to Muktzeh, which also applies to Yom Tov, is when a chicken lays an egg on Shabbat or on Yom Tov, for that day it becomes prohibited to use. So a person is not able to do that. That's true even on Yom Tov, where you're allowed to cook, but that egg that was laid on Yom Tov, you cannot go ahead and take it and make scrambled eggs. You're not even allowed to move it because the egg itself is muktzeh until Yom Tov ends. Then it becomes already mutar. Then it becomes permitted to eat and to use. So it's just a temporary prohibition. Because it's a temporary prohibition, even if it gets mixed in with other eggs, and I don't know how to identify it, I can't identify the specific egg, so Shulchan Aruch says all the eggs become asur. Even if it's 1,000 eggs and one egg gets mixed in it, it all becomes asur until Motzei Hachag or Motzei Shabbat. And you can't say, well, I'm planning to eat. It's Ochel Nefesh. It's still prohibited to use those eggs. Go find different eggs that don't have any down on them. As a matter of fact, the Shulchan Aruch goes even further. What if I don't know that it was laid on Yom Tov? It could have been laid before. It could have been laid on Yom Tov. There was a reasonable chance for either one. Still, even though Muktzeh is D'Rabbanan, still you're not allowed to eat this egg on Yom Tov, even though there could be a chance that it was actually laid before the Yom Tov, which would mean that it would be mutar. And even if in that case where you weren't sure, it got mixed in with 1,000, so now there's sort of a double doubt. Maybe it was laid before the Yom Tov, and even if it was laid on Yom Tov, I have another 999 eggs that are totally fine. Nevertheless, it is asur until the Motzei Yom Tov. So to show you the severity and the strictness of Muktzeh, that it applies in a very encompassing way. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen ve'amen.